Welcome back to Alice and Caleb's Caravan renovation with MasterStroke by Resene. So where are we at?
Well, the rust has been dealt with. We've gotten rid of all of the rots. We've relined the walls.
Basically, it's turned from a renovation to a complete rebuild.
It has, but the good news is the groundwork has been done.
And now it's time for the fun part. You know what? Priming a caravan is a journey. Let me tell you about it. First, we started with the rust arrest underneath the caravan, and then a quick dry over the top. Then with the vinyl, I had to do a smooth surface sealer, and then quick dry over the top, and then finally finished it off with the etch primer everywhere. All I can say is if you're painting a caravan, you need to get the right advice.
Loving these new walls. I'm gonna love them a whole lot more once they're painted. Quick dry primer's all done, ready for the top coat.
While Caleb's sorting the interior walls, I'm painting the cabinets with Mishka and Luster Glow. So I think we're almost there.
Do you?
Yeah.
I think we've got quite a bit to go.
But no one wants to see that.
Oh, well, I'm guessing what you want to see is the same thing we want to see, which is a finished caravan.
And we promise that is what you will see next time. Until then, we better get back to it.